Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 and I'll give you my initial impressions. So it definitely looks like compared to last year, the box is definitely smaller. This is the iPhone 11 for reference. As you can see here, it's about half the size, as we know that they are not including the adapter block anymore. Let's go ahead and peel this open. Here we go, lift off. That's different. This year they put the device on backwards. Usually you see the screen. Do see a little bit of a lint there. Let's lift that up. Initial impressions, the phone feels very nostalgic compared to like the iPhone 5. The sides are flat. This is not the Pro version, but the aluminum does seem to feel pretty good in the hands compared to the iPhone 11 I have here. So as you can see, the profile, same 6.1 inch screen. It does look like the iPhone 11 slightly bigger in terms of length and width by a couple millimeters. Let's go ahead and pull this back. And let's fire it up. Hopefully there's a charge. Okay. We'll let that boot up. Inside the box we still have the quick start guide, and I assume there's still some stickers. Oh, yep, we still got one sticker. We also got the, this is a new charging cable, USB-C and Lightning, actually Lightning to USB-C adapter. So that means we'll all have to buy a new charging block. So it's been a few days and I've had some time to test out the phone, and here are my impressions. So the phone doesn't feel like a dramatic difference coming from an iPhone 11. I am part of the iPhone upgrade program, so I do get a new iPhone every year. That being said, it's still an upgrade for me, and I do feel like there's some features I want to go over. The main selling points of the iPhone 12 is the standard OLED and 5G. You might not see this on video, but the screen is a lot brighter and a lot darker on the blacks. So it is definitely an improvement coming from an iPhone 11. As you can see here in the photos, the camera did get a larger aperture, but I don't really notice that difference as you can see in the pictures. Still very sharp, very similar camera setup as the iPhone 11. As for 5G, I'm not able to fully test it, but I did garner some good test results, actually an improvement from LTE. So as you can see in the speed test here, there are some major improvements in terms of upload and download speeds. So now let's go over the bugs I've noticed. The first one being the audio glitch. For example, if one of your apps has a notification and the sound goes off, another one interrupts it, then the first one gets stuck, making that same sound over and over again, and then you have to force restart the phone. The second bug I've noticed is the zoom display option, which I use pretty often, and I had to switch back to standard now. Due to that, all the third-party apps do not work properly. They almost look like you're forcing an iPhone 5 screen onto your current phone. And then the last bug I've noticed is the audio cutout between 5G and LTE handoffs. So when you're on a phone call, the other person on the line might not be able to hear you, as when you're switching through bands while driving, it does tend to cut off. But overall, I think it's a great upgrade if you're coming from an iPhone X or below that. The aluminum body with the flat edges are nice. It definitely feels lighter than the iPhone 11 and has slimmer bezels. You won't be disappointed even if you get the iPhone 12 and not the Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give me a like, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it down there, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.